Welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with Yvette. Today I will be making some fruit cake. Alright, so before further long talking, so let me show you guys all the ingredients that I'll be using today. Alright, stay tuned. So this is some, first I'm going to start with 5-star clove powder, cinnamon, nutmeg and cinnamon powder, along with some zest. This is some pruns, red cherry, green cherry, walnut, and this is some raisin. Sorry. All right. 1 cup of flour. This is 2.5 cups of flour in here. I'm sorry. This is one. This is like half pound of flour. Sugar. Ooh. The butter is in here. This 1 pound of butter. I've been using some mixed essence. I'm going to be using 6 eggs. Alright, so let's get started. I must let you know that I have a little fresh cold. So if you hear a different in my voice, you know that is the reason why I'm sounding like this. So I just try to combine the butter together because I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to add the sugar. Alright, and then I'm going to melt the sugar in the butter. So I'm going to start by busting the egg one by one. Oops. Stay tuned. I know I mentioned the egg, but I didn't show you guys it. So I already put the egg in there. This is another one. There's going to be 2 eggs. going to put the spices. And I must remind, I don't know if I mentioned it before, this is self-raising flour. So I don't have to put any baking powder in it. This already have baking powder and salt. So there's no salt or baking powder to be added into this because it's self-raising. Some nut mix essence. And then I'm gonna sift the flour a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna add the fruits, the raisin, the green cherry, the red cherry. In the meanwhile, the oven is hotting, I mean. This is the pruns and the walnut. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 1 hour, 1 hour and 50 minutes. All right, stay tuned. Yes, guys, so I take out the lovely cake out of the oven. I'm gonna test it now and see. Ooh, it's out and it's finished. There's nothing is on it. So the pan that I use to bake this cake in is a non-stick pan. So it's easy to throw out or into on the plate. See this? I didn't ready to throw it out yet. It's still hot. This also still hot, but I'm gonna still cut it to let you guys see inside of it. So I already had a square pan to make it. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. The hand's not straight, but I'm telling you guys, what a good time to make this here, so you can have some nice fruit cake. All right, look at it for your Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Yes, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Look at it. I'm bringing it up more closer. Thanks for watching again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you for all the new subscribers. See you in the next one. The next cake will be sponge cake. Walnut sponge cake. Look out for that. Then black cake.